Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to have a brief overview on electroacoustic characteristics of hearing aids. Mainly, we will be dealing on how to measure what are the different test procedures in performing EAC measurement. In this particular video, we will focus upon need and importance or the purpose of measuring electroacoustic characteristics of hearing aids, a brief introduction onto it, and various test methods employed in measuring EAC of the hearing aids. Hearing aids convert the acoustic energy from the acoustic environment into electrical energy. This electrical energy is modified based upon the gain settings and the various parameters we feed onto the hearing aid fitting software. Then again, this modified electrical energy is converted back into acoustic energy for the person to hear the sounds. This multiple conversion of acoustic energy into electrical energy, again electrical energy into acoustic energy, alters the physical properties of the sound. Hence, it is important for us to learn the electroacoustic characteristics of each and every hearing aids. This method is an objective method which will ensure the quality control of each and every hearing aids. It verifies the acoustic output from the amplification devices. This measurement can be performed on brand new hearing aid, used hearing aid by a hearing aid user, or the hearing aid that has come back from servicing. It also helps us to select the appropriate gain setting hearing aid to fit an individual with hearing impairment. For performing these kind of EAC measurements, we need a test box within which all these processes are being performed. Test box is an anechoic chamber with various instrumentation encompassed into it. And these test boxes are controlled by the software which will run various programs. This test box is required for deliver controlled sound into the hearing aid and measure the output of the hearing aid. This has a tone or noise generator, an amplifier, loudspeaker, a control microphone, also a measurement microphone. Few of the test boxes will have both control microphone as well as a measurement microphone. Few of the test boxes will have only one microphone, which is called as the measurement microphone. These are the examples of two different companies' test box, which is used to analyze the electroacoustic characteristics of the hearing aid. These test boxes will have couplers, which will mimic the acoustic properties of the frequency response of the human ear canal. There are various couplers available in market, but to measure EAC measurements or EAC of the hearing aids, we generally use a 2cc couplers. The picture depicts the various 2cc couplers available in the market with the adapters, which will be used to connect BTE hearing aids, body level hearing aids, custom made hearing aids, including the receiver in the canal hearing aids. Measured electroacoustic properties are compared with various standards prescribed by the manufacturing company. There are two such standards available to compare the electroacoustic properties measured using these test boxes. ANSI standards, ANSI S3.22 in the year 2014. It is given to has given specifications of hearing aid characteristics. The other standard is IEC 60118-7 in the year 2005. So it also deals with the electroacoustic properties of the hearing aids. Any hearing aid manufactured will also come along with a data sheet. This data sheet will have the electroacoustic properties of the hearing aids. We need to compare the measured values with this data. The most common parameters, those that are being evaluated or compared in the data sheets, are the OSPL 90, high frequency average of OSPL 90, full on gain measurements, frequency range, total harmonic distortion, then equivalent input noise. Also, sometimes we will also look at the current drain from the battery. There are two test methods in which electroacoustic properties of the hearing aids can be measured. One method is called pressure method. In this method, there will be two microphones inside the test box. One microphone is called as the reference microphone or the control microphone. The other microphone is called the measurement microphone. Now, these two microphones are kept closer to the hearing aid and it is measured. The other method is called a substitution method, where the test box will have only one microphone, which is the measurement microphone. So before performing the test procedure, the whole apparatus is calibrated using the measurement microphone. Then after calibration, the coupler is attached to the measurement microphone, then the hearing aid is attached, and we perform the test procedure. So pressure method, If you need to follow, then the test box should have a reference microphone or a control microphone along with the measurement microphone. If there is only one microphone inside the test box, then we have to use substitution methods. This is the reference for this particular discussion. Thank you.